a week around Utah. Hey, good morning. Waking up in the Valley of the Gods this morning. It's like 6:19 right now. And we're about to get up for sunrise. And hopefully get some cool drone shots. Well, that was fucking cold. But Monument Valley. $20 to get in, about halfway through the loop. It's just a drive around loop with one little trail if you want to go. Very interesting land out here. It's pretty. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. So beautiful. This world is insane. Doesn't really make any sense, but on my way. Peanut butter, honey, tortilla. The best snack ever. Especially on the road. Good morning. I'm in Zion. Yeah, ended up going to Zion National Park. Man, I am so fucking hyper energetic. Why did God make me so hypersensitive to everything that I do? Anyways, I'm in Zion, and it is beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. The rock formations are just insane. Like driving in last night was just crazy. Like there's like, they call them mountains, but they're more like temples, I would say. And yeah, we're gonna hang out in Zion today, go on a cool hike, and explore the place a little bit. 3, 2, 1, boom! That is a beautiful fire. So, Zion was huge. Like, the scale of everything is so crazy and honestly hard to capture because of how big it is, you know, and it's hard to capture in a photo. The massive, massive rock and the massive canyon that Zion is. It was so impressive, and it's hard to explain, and I think you really do have to like experience it for yourself. This part was the human structures on the trail up to Angel's Landing, specifically. For example, there was bathrooms at the top. At the top of the trail and at the base of Angel's Landing. There's bathrooms. Like, what? Like, on the trail there was brick walls to create the switchbacks up to the base. It was insane to like see the human power that went into being able to make a hike so accessible to humans. It was really cool. I thought that was one of the craziest parts there, was like the human motivation and work that was put into this trail. Angel's Landing, which was just beautiful again, and Zion was just insane. Like, again, you kind of just have to experience it, no matter if you watch this video or if you see my pictures. They really don't do a justice. Not yet. I'm trying to get better at creating that, like, feeling of what I felt when I was there, but you really do have to just go experience it, because it's insane, and it does humble you and put that perspective of love and beauty within you when you go see it, no matter where you are or where you're from, in the park or out of the park. So yeah, so after Zion, I was actually headed to Salt Lake City, but made a stop in Bryce Canyon. The spires and the canyons running down from in Bryce Canyon National Park was just insane. It was snowing when I was there, and I couldn't even see the whole spectrum of the park. Even from what I just saw, it was just so beautiful again. I was only there for a couple hours, and I will definitely be back, but Bryce Canyon was just so magical. That's really all I can say. And yeah, after Bryce, I made my way up to my final destination, which was Salt Lake City. And after that, I headed to Salt Lake City and hung out with some friends. So the trip was way more than I could ask for. I felt that I overcame some fears, and maybe not overcame them quite yet, but tackled them, or like faced them head on. And that really boosted my confidence and in myself, and really helped me mentally after I was done. And also just seeing all these beautiful places that this world has to offer is something that I will continue to be inspired and motivated by. 'Cause, like, what the hell is this world? Like, this world, this planet is a gift to us as humans, to all life here, and we are also simultaneously the gift to this planet. I don't quite understand yet, but we will soon, and I'm excited to continue to learn and grow through nature and through the teachings of nature, because that is the true teacher is the natural world. I even have a sign that I'm looking at right now in my room, and it says, "Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience." And that is beauty. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you if you're here right now, using your time to listen to me or watch me in this video. I love and appreciate you so much. I hope all is well, and I hope the holidays are happy and loving for you, and if not, please feel free to reach out, and I'd love to share some love as well. So thank you. Much love to you and to all, and may the Force be with you. Namaste. Yo!